Plus, I also have a lot of old friends from out here. I think dinner this afternoon. I'm about to give you guys a whole shot. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Yes, he has here. He has here. And we out. That's it. Ooh, naughty.
Okay guys, welcome to Queen Polly Nation. On this channel, my babes and I, we travel around. We tell you all the places that you need to go when you're up and traveling. So my babes and I, we're on vacation here in Las Vegas. And when we go to Las Vegas, where we like to stay is the Encore, guys. You gotta check this out. So come on, we're gonna check out this room here at the Encore. This is your basic king suite. So as you come into the suite, you see its lights. It gives you a nice feeling of classy but not gaudy that you can sometimes get in Las Vegas. You see right here on the wall, these are all the controls. You can control the lights right away. You can turn them all off. You can low light. You can turn them all on. It gives you your privacy and gives you your service bell here, all electronically controlled. We're going to bolt that so we don't have anybody coming in on us. All right. Right over to your right is a bathroom. The bathrooms are nice and spacious. You can see you have the stand-up shower, which is really nice, and then you have the big sunken tub. My babes and I are looking forward to sitting in there, a nice bubble bath, enjoying it. His and her sinks, so we can both get ready at the same time. And this is for the ladies. You need some time to get your makeup going on. You sit down, have at it, right? Put your eyelashes on, put your wig on, whatever you're gonna do. This is the spread out for you, right? You sit here nice and comfy. You want to turn on a little bit of TV, keep you entertained while you're at it? They got you covered here. Turn on the TV, you're good to go. Right, and then behind here, your basic toilet. They give you toiletries. I love how they make this nice and neat. So every time you come in here, this is what you expect. A nice clean roll of toilet paper. You can tell it's untampered with. They have the sticker. And then, if there's an emergency, you got your emergency backup. They thought of it all. You can even turn the lights on and off here. These robes, my goodness, these robes are to die for. They are comfy. They make you feel good. You can kick back and relax during the day. For those of you that are concerned about the weight, we're not going to concern ourselves with the weight during the vacation. So come on. So as you come out of the bathroom, you go up the hall. Nice big mirror, almost floor to ceiling, so you can make sure yourself looks good as you're getting out. This is your basic closet where you can hang up your clothes. There's a safe in there. Yeah, I'll show you that on our way back out. And then you come into, you open, this is your bedroom. Now they have king and they have queen suites, you know, double queens, but we like the king. The bed is so comfy, guys. Lay on this bed, you're gonna sleep for days. Trust me when I tell you, sleep for days. You come over here, and this is your controls. Everything is touchscreen over here, so you can control your lights, the drapes, the temperature. You can language, clock, alarm, put a do not disturb on here. They have the updated outlets that have the USB. Those of you that have the gadgets, my wife and I, we like to have all the gadgets, your iPhones or whatever, plug it in USBs, and your typical outlets, of course, the phone, right? They have the big screen TV. Underneath the big screen TV, you have all of this drawer space. Now, I don't know about y'all. We've been to a lot of hotels. They give you these little tiny drawers for you to put your stuff in. These drawers are nice and spacious. And look how clever they are, because look how this kind of just blends in with the whole ambiance, with the walls and everything else, right? And leaves you all the space, so it doesn't waste a lot of space. So it just makes your bedroom that more spacious, because oftentimes they'll have the dresser against the wall, and it comes out and takes up space. This creates a nice walkway. And then obviously you have your flat screen, your big flat screen TV on it. You gotta have the entertainment going on no matter where you go. But what's great about this is that it swivels. So if you in the bedroom, you don't want to look at the TV, you can swivel it. Now you're ready when you're in the other room, sitting on your sofa. Goodies section. Guys, as you know, When you go to any hotel, they're going to stock you up. But the Encore, look at this presentation. They do it to the tilt. They'll give you all this, all these goodies, right? Fruits, nuts, cashews, popcorn, cookies. This is a display for you. The M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, for like those. And then you have your wet bar. Look at that, all the goodies. So those of you that are balling out, you like to partake in the wet bars, of course, everything here you have to pay for. They charge it to your room automatically. Just pop it open and have fun. Let the party begin. All right, you can store some extra stuff in here if you like. Come on over, let's take you into the office. A nice big work desk. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like a lot of space. When I come out and I'm doing business deals and working on some projects and stuff, I need space to spread out my stuff, my laptop, what have you. So you can see this desk gives you the ability to have that. A nice tray here. And they also come with Alexa, so if you're looking for some good mood music, you can go ahead, turn that on. It's voice activated. We'll talk about her in a minute. I'm not going to say her name right now. Again, we're going to talk about her in a minute because there's a nice feature with that as well that I want to touch on. You see how nice this is? Big floor to ceiling windows. We're going to talk about that here in a minute. I'm going to show you the view. The sofa is perfect. My babes and I, we sit out here. You're enjoying the night. You had a nice day out. You got some business done. Kick your feet up, relax with your champagne. You come right. As I said earlier, guys, we have the TV here that we turned over from the bedrooms. Nice big screen TV. So if you're out here, which my babes and I would like to do, have the TV turned on here while we're chilling, right? And then when it's time to tuck in for the night, you can just flip that over. And this is the room. You can see it's nice and big. It's almost 800 square feet, but it feels like 1,000, to be honest with you. The way they have it laid out is nice and spacious. So remember, guys, what I said about our device over there? And what we're going to do next is we're going to show you how this works here with these drapes. Now, today, I'm going to show you the night view, but I'm also going to go back and I'll include the day view when it's daytime out as well. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to turn off these lights so you can catch a view of it. And so, turning off the lights, so say, Alexa, open the drapes. And as you talk, then she's going to go ahead and do her business. And this is going to give us our view of the Las Vegas Strip. Obviously, every view is going to be different depending on which room, which tower you're in. Alexa, open the shades.
This is where we're staying for a few days, and I'm excited. Are you excited, darling?
I'm very excited. I love this place.
Darling, we've stayed here many times, and I just wanted to bring it to you guys. I want you guys to see where we tend to stay when we come to Vegas.
Alright guys, so that's it for the main office. So as we discussed earlier, I'm going to go take you guys here to the closets so you can take a look at this, because what you don't realize until you open this granddaddy is how big this closet is. So guys, when you take a look in here, I mean, it gives you your basics, right? You have hangers, both male and female hangers. Gives you your thing for your dry cleaning, to give you your ironing board and the iron. But what is unique about the Encore, I haven't seen this in many hotels, is that they also have an additional dresser in here. So these drawers you can open. So if you're traveling with some jewelry or anything, you can put that in here. Some of your belongings, I oftentimes use it for like belts, maybe some shoes that you don't want to rest on the floor. Luggage you can put on the top here, or if you have clothes that you want to fold them up, put them here on the shelf nicely. And then they have a nice big safe. You know, so the safes are very important, guys. If you're traveling, make sure that you lock up all of your belongings so nobody takes them, right? It's very important you lock up your belongings. My babes and I do that all the time. What we love about this safe is that you can also swipe your credit card to open and to lock and unlock it as well. So you can either use a PIN code or you can use your credit card to swipe it. So that's the closet, guys. And that completes our tour here at the Encore. So as I said, my babes and I, we like to travel around. Queen Poly Nation is where you tune to get all of the reviews of the hottest places to stay when you're traveling. Check out the Encore in Las Vegas. My wife and I, this is our favorite place to stay. Now, I don't know what you're gonna do. When babes and I are gonna kick back and relax, open up some champagne and enjoy our night. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and bid you adieu.